Siliguri has always been known as a peaceful getaway to the hills, a city of greenery, calm weather, and growing culture. But over the years, the city has been changing rapidly. New flyovers, expanding roads, increasing traffic, and continuous construction are reshaping Siliguri's landscape. While development continues, many residents now feel that the city is slowly losing the very identity that once made it special. In recent years, Siliguri has seen rapid urban growth. Flyovers and commercial buildings are increasing across different parts of the city. With more vehicles on the roads and continuous expansion, traffic congestion and pollution have become common concerns for the residents. Many people also believe that the city's weather is no longer the same. Summers feel hotter and green spaces are gradually decreasing due to urban construction. Environmental experts often connect these changes to rapid urbanization and loss of tree cover, which directly affects local climatic conditions. Daily commuters often spend long hours in traffic, especially around busy junctions and market areas. Ongoing road work, increasing vehicles, and crowded streets have become common experiences for people traveling through the city every day. Many residents say these changes are affecting not only convenience but also the overall quality of life. According to recent climate observations, several Indian cities, including rapidly developing urban regions, are experiencing rising temperatures and irregular weather patterns. Increasing traffic, concrete construction, and reduction of green spaces are often the key factors leading to these conditions in these cities. Residents who have lived in Siliguri for many years believe the city's weather has noticeably changed. Summers now feel hotter and more uncomfortable than before. Environmental observers often connect this to increasing concrete construction, traffic pollution, and the gradual reduction of green spaces across urban areas. क्या आपको लगता है कि सिलीगुड़ी का वेदर बहुत ज़्यादा चेंज हो गया है?
हाँ, पहले से जो चेंज तो भाई है। पहले तो इतना भीड़ भाड़ नहीं था शहर में, नहीं था। हाँ, अभी तो इतना भीड़ हो गया है। टोटो ऑटो इतना हो गया है। हाँ, पूरा भीड़ हो गया है, पूरा जैम रहता है।
और वेदर के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
वेदर तो पहले तो खूब ही अच्छा था वेदर यहाँ का। ठंड रहता था, ठंड रहता था। हाँ, इतना गर्मी नहीं था। हाँ, लेकिन आजकल तो यहाँ बहुत गर्मी रहता है, ठंड में उतना नहीं पड़ता है। हाँ, वेदर तो चेंज हुआ ही है।
और इतना कंस्ट्रक्शन के बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है कि डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है लेकिन पहले जितना कूल नहीं रहा?
हाँ, वो तो हो रहा है, मॉल बन रहा है, कंस्ट्रक्शन का तो इतना ब्रिज बन रहा है। हाँ, इससे तो फर्क तो पड़ता ही है ना शहर में।
Despite these concerns, many people agree that development is necessary for a growing city. Better roads, improved connectivity, and expanding businesses have helped Siliguri grow economically. However, residents believe development and environmental balance must go together to ensure a healthier future for the city. While Siliguri continues to remain an important gateway to the hills and northeast India, but beyond its roads and buildings, the city is also made of memories, landscapes, and everyday experiences that people deeply connect with. As the city changes rapidly, many now hope that progress will not come at the cost of the identity that once defined Siliguri. Every growing city carries two stories together, one of progress and another of change. In Siliguri, these two realities can now be seen side by side, in crowded roads, disappearing open spaces, and the voices of people adapting to a city that no longer feels the same as before. Like every growing city, Siliguri is also going through a phase of transformation. While challenges related to traffic, construction, and environmental changes continue to exist, many residents still remain hopeful about the city's future. With better planning, awareness, and responsible development, Siliguri has the potential to grow without losing its natural charm and identity.